Meg Talk topic 2. Y'all want to know one of my biggest, like, I'm not gonna even say my biggest pet peeve. It's just something that I've seen over the years, and especially in this season, especially this year, and especially just recently. I really, dislike when it's a young lady, a woman, or a man, and they're successful, they're on the right path to reach success, or whatever the case may be, and then we get a relationship, and all your work goes to waste. Like, we really got to be intentional when it comes to who we date and who our significant other is. If your significant other doesn't compliment you, and make you just harder, supporting your dreams, supporting your goals, supporting what you're doing, your business, and not being a what's the word I'm looking for, not being in the way, not because honestly it does you and your business a disservice. I've seen so many women, I haven't really seen it with men, but I've seen so many women this year. I was rooting for them. They were being successful, they were on the right path, and then they find a significant other, and like all of their work is just down the drain. They're giving up on their dreams, they're giving up on their goals, they're giving up on their business, all because they want to be laid up under the significant other that means them and their business no good. Like, if your significant other don't compliment you to go hard in your business, and you need to clip them off and go get another one, period. And that's just that on that. Like, I'm so grateful that my significant other is who he is, because he gonna tell me, he gonna be completely honest with me. If I'm dragging my feet, if I'm not giving my 100% to my business, he's gonna tell me, and he's gonna make me get back on the right track and put my foot on my own neck. All that puppy love stuff, all that cake that, some of us see like in movies and TVs, like that's all movies and TVs. Like, we in real life. And if you're going to let a significant other come around and deter you from the main goal, deter you from all the work that you've put in this year, to basically like all that work is a waste, you got to really ask yourself, what are you doing? What are you doing? And if you're watching this and it's like, okay, she may be talking about me and maybe not talking about you, but you landed on this story for a reason, and it's like, okay, this sounds like my situation, and I'm gonna need you to reevaluate your life, reevaluate your situation today before you go into the new year. And that's just being honest, especially if you see your results like deteriorate, and if you see all the work that you've put in going to waste ever since you got with a significant other. It's time to clip. Because let's just be honest, what are you going to do if whatever you're doing, and that significant other is, deterring you out there? But what are you going to do if you don't go all in and give your business or whatever it is that you do your 100% effort? Like, what are you going to do if it doesn't work? Are you going to go back to that thing that you hated that caused you to start running your own business? Like, what are you really going to do? Are you going to just go out there and be a bum with your significant other who's actually a bum and wants to do whatever that's not, feasible for what you're trying to create? I'm having a lot of brain farts right now because my daughter is being my daughter. So I'm trying to get my point across. But this one, she keep me on my toes, y'all. She keep me on my toes. But moral of the story, whatever it is that you're doing in life, whether it's, building your business, whether you're in my business, whether, you're out there doing something else, make sure your significant other compliments you. And not compliments like, you're pretty. No, compliments what you're doing in life, compliments your goals, compliments what you're trying to achieve. Because if not, they're just in the way, and you need to cut ties right now before y'all both be a bum together. And that's just that on that. That's just facts, big facts for you on this Sunday morning. Cut them. Like, I'm not going to even sugarcoat it. Cut ties now and get back into your business, and let's regroup with them a year from now. Because you got to get in your bag, and you ain't got no time for anybody that's a bum and anybody taking half steps to be in your way. Because no, you want more for your life. Going into 2021, you want more for your life, and you ain't going to be able to do it with that bum on your side. So cut ties, click, click, click. Because look, Rich, he ain't gonna let Meg be nothing short of anything that we put on our goal list together. Like, facts. And it's funny because, yeah, we've been together for a minute, but if he sees me to the point to where it's causing a rift in our business. He will cut ties. He don't care how long we've been together. Like, that man's gonna cut ties because he knows that what he's doing is setting up my daughter, setting up our daughter, their life. And if somebody is in the way, he can't accomplish those goals. So he will kick me to the curb if I don't, get myself together, which is why I'm always on my P's and Q's, because I do it for my last name, and I just know what I have to do for my business, and I make sure I do it tenfold, and I don't play with it. I stay in it, and I do what I got to do, because if not this, then what?